Dear amateur negotiators, also known as retraders, to master the market, one must also possess the capacity to invert the calculus. The amateur renegotiator seeks the immediate concession, but the sovereign operator who's in the game for life understands that the ultimate asymmetric leverage belongs to the individual whose word functions as absolute law. And so when we reverse the lens, retrading a deal reveals itself not as strength, but as a structural vulnerability, a confession of short-term scarcity. There's a certain sense of velocity that's frictionless when you deal with trust. In the macroeconomy, transaction speed is the ultimate determinant of yield. The experienced operator who builds an unyielding reputation for keeping their word eliminates the tax of friction. Attorneys that are experienced, underwriters who get deals done, and institutional capital move with absolute velocity for an actor who refuses to renegotiate. And there's a sense of a premium that's paid psychologically for certain parties. Human nature dictates that sellers will accept a lower nominal price from a buyer of absolute certainty than a higher volatile offer from a known optimization predator, this retrader. Keeping your word is the ultimate psychological arbitrage. It allows you to buy assets cheaper at the point of origin because you offer the scarcest commodity in existence: peace of mind, surety to close, willingness to transact, willingness to honor your word. The Roman concept of Fides, the goddess of trust and good faith, was not a moral luxury. It was the geopolitical spine of the entire empire. Rome conquered not merely by the sword, but because foreign kings knew that a treaty signed with a Roman consul was immutable. To break a pact was to invite systemic chaos into the architecture of statecraft. The retrader, yes, I'm speaking to you Hindus and my friends from the far and near East. When you chisel away at a contract for an extra point of margin, you're trading a permanent compounding macro asset, reputational capital, for an ephemeral influx of liquidity. You literally sell your integrity for $1. What makes you think that you are going to be the chosen counterparty next time if you do this? In a world drowning in transactional transience, staying true to the original terms is the ultimate contrarian posture. It transforms your handshake into a hard asset that cannot be inflated away, devalued, or disrupted. Let's end the retrading and honor our original word.